students, yesterday we were discussing about chapter number 3 of economics, that is money and credit. In that chapter we were discussing about barter system, double coincidence of wants, and also we were discussing about money as a medium of exchange. A person holding money can exchange it for any commodity or service that he or she might want. Thus, everyone prefer to receive payments in money and then exchange the money for things that they want. Both the parties have to agree to sell and buy each other's commodities. This is known as double coincidence of wants. What a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. We are going to discuss about modern forms of money. We have seen that money is something that can act as a medium of exchange in transactions. Before the introduction of coins, a variety of objects was used as money. For example, since the very early ages, Indians used grains and cattle as money. But nowadays we are using modern forms of money, that is currency and deposit with banks. In currency we are using paper notes and coins, and they are without any use of its own. It means if we are not using paper notes and coins as money, then they are just a paper and a metal only. And you know very well that money is accepted as a medium of exchange because RBI issues currency on the behalf of central government of India. As per Indian law, no other individual or organization is allowed to issue currency, and no individual in India can legally refuse a payment made in rupees. Deposits with bank. Now, deposit with banks. Next form is deposit with banks. The other form in which people hold money as deposit with the bank. People deposit money with the banks by the opening of bank account in their name. Bank accept the deposits and also pay an amount as interest on the deposits. People also have the provision to withdraw the money as and when they require. Since the deposit in the accounts can be withdrawn on demand, these deposits are called demand deposits. It is this facility which lends it the essential characteristics of money. You would have heard of payments being made by checks instead of cash. For payment by check, the buyer who has an account with the bank make out a check for a specific amount. Then what will be the definition of check? A check is a paper instructing the bank to pay amount from person's account to whose name it is given.